Hey guys, it's Jacob or Jacob the Wolf here, 99 here, and today I'm back here with another video, and today we're going to be doing a soccer challenge. It's really windy, so yeah. So I'm just gonna pause real quick. So I think I found the angle. There's the goal right there. Tiny. So let's get right to it. I'm trying to do the crossbar challenge right now. So let's do it. If I don't get it under 5 tries, then I'm done. Okay? Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh. I know this is a little goal, but crossbars are still really hard. Even though it's a little goal, crossbar is right there. Go. Sorry if you guys can't hear me. It's just really windy. So yeah, another one. Got 3 more tries, okay? Starts getting to my deadline, 2 more left, or else I'm done with doing it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. No. One more try. Be a loser if I don't make this. Let's go. One more try. If I don't, you guys could all comment I'm dumb, okay? Okay. Ready, set, go. Actually, I'm gonna go one more shot. I know I keep saying one more, but this for real is my last try. And I'm really close and I still can't make it. Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! Okay, now I'm gonna be doing long bombs. So, you know what I should do? Hold up, I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, I found a good spot. It's gonna be right behind the goal net. And whoa, I almost tripped. And I'm gonna go right now. Okay, let's go. And we're gonna be doing long bomb. Try to do long bomb, crossbars or goals, doesn't matter. Okay, let's go. Tries to the crossbar or goal. I don't know why I'm missing. It looks so easy. So easy to make. Don't know why I'm missing, so let's get back right into it. We got one more try left. Did I scare ya? Crossbar. Like. I did not mean to do that. Well, I guess that's today's video. I'm trying to make a long bomb. A crossbar. Okay. Ready? And well, I guess that's today's video. Go ahead if you haven't already. Go subscribe, like this video, comment down below what you want me to do next, and I'll do it no matter what. Goodbye, my wolf pack.